perform the kneeling hamstring stretch, come onto one knee and take the other leg out in front. Slight bend in the knee. You're going to put your hands on your hips so that you've got a nice control of your pelvis, because we want to keep your chest up and hinge slightly forward, just enough that you start to feel the stretch in the hamstring. What normally happens when people try and stretch their hamstrings is they try and fold over as far as possible, reach for their toes, round their back, and that doesn't actually activate the hamstring that we're trying to target. So for this, we want to keep slight bend in the knee, nice and upright in the chest. Move the chest forward while maintaining a neutral spine until you start to feel that stretch in the hamstring. You don't need to come too far forward at all, just move the hips back, keep that pelvis neutral, and hold that stretch for the prescribed amount of time. Swap onto the other leg from a different angle. Again, just keeping those hands on hips. Come into your start position, turn your toes up towards the ceiling, slight bend in the knee, chest comes forward till you feel that stretch in the back of your upper leg. Hold for the prescribed amount of time and rest.